Good morning. We are continuing Unit 8. Please open your workbook, page 60, Unit 8, What If? And follow with me, please. Reading. Before reading disaster. Disaster mean اللي هي كارثة. Complete the text about Cumbre Vieja. Use the nouns in the box. Directions, future, tones, tsunami, volcano. Directions اتجاهات, future المستقبل, tones اللي هي يعني كميات كبيرة. tsunami نعرف التسونامي هو a long high sea wave caused by an earthquake. اوكي. فولكانو نعرف الفولكانو اللي هي ايش؟ بركان. تمام. Cumbre Vieja is an enormous active what? Active volcano in the Canary Islands. Scientists know that at some time in the future it will erupt. They are worried that the side of the volcano will collapse. حكينا معنى collapse راح ينهار. And tons of rock will fall into the sea. Tons of rock will fall into the sea. يعني أطنان من الصخور راح تسقط وين؟ في البحر. This would cause a huge what? A huge tsunami. أيوة راح يشكل عنا ضخم تسونامي ضخم that would travel very fast in all directions. Okay. In all directions. This would cause a huge, number 4. This would cause a huge tsunami. A huge tsunami that would travel very fast in all directions. في جميع الاتجاهات. In all directions. Away from the Canary Islands. Okay, we have another words here. catastrophe حكينا معناها الكارثة أو نكبة. damage اللي هو دمار. energy طاقة. equipment معدات. eruption انهيار. The wave would have enough energy to cross the Atlantic and cause terrible what? Terrible damage to the east coast of America. This would be a what? A catastrophe اللي هي معناها حكينا نكبة أو كارثة. Although the scientists can't predict exactly when the volcano will erupt, they are going to put some equipment on Cumbre Vieja, which will give them an early warning of an eruption. يعني عندكم يا مس. That's it. You must write the correct answers. Okay. The second one here, number 2. Look at the pictures and the information below them. Answer the questions. What does picture 1 show? Can you know the answer? What does picture 1 show? Start with M. It's number 1 meteorite اللي هو نيزك. meteorite اللي هو نيزك. But number 2 here, number 2, what is it? It's an crater. It's an crater اللي هو فوهة البركان. Number 1 meteorite. Number 2 crater. meteorite اللي هو نيزك. Number 2 اللي هي فوهة البركان. That's it. I think it's clear. Okay, number 3. Question number 3. Okay. Complete the text with the verbs in the box. We have some words here. We have cause, we have devastate, fall, happen, hit, predict, protect, reach, travel. A big hit. What does it mean a big hit? معناها ضربة قوية. Every year, thousands of rocks from space fall. Fall to earth. These are called meteorites. Called meteorites. اللي حكينا picture number 1 اللي هي النيزك. تمام؟ Okay, we will continue. Most of these are very small, less than a meter across. They start to burn. بلشت تنحرق. When they what? When they reach. اللي هي هون. When they reach. Okay. They start to burn when they reach the Earth's atmosphere and usually disappear before they hit the ground. قبل ما تضرب الأرض. See picture number 1. طبعا you can see picture number 1 here. Okay. Turn back. Okay. Number 5. The explosion اللي هو معناه الانفجار. The explosion إيش بحكي لنا عنه؟ No, not here. Number 3, sorry. Okay. Sorry. Here, number 3. See picture number 1, okay. We have seen picture number 1. A few meteorites are too large. هي كتير كبيرة to disappear حتى تختفي. When they burn لما تنحرق. They what? They travel at very high speed. تختفي بسرعة كتير عالية. About 60,000 kilometers in an hour when they hit the ground and can cause enormous damage. بتسبب دمار ضخم. This happened in Arizona about 50,000 years ago, and you can still see the crater today. Okay, crater حكينا عنه ب picture number 2 الموجودة عندنا بنفس الصفحة اللي هي معناها فوهة البركان. It's called meteor crater. See picture 2. Okay, if another large meteorites hit the earth, إذا يعني بركان تاني أو نيزك تاني ضرب الأرض, what would happen? The explosion would be huge. The meteorites would devastate. devastate حكينا معناها يدمر يخرب. devastate. If it fell into the sea, it would what? It would cause an enormous tsunami. It would be a catastrophe. حكينا بمعنى كارثة أو نكبة. But the good news is that large meteorites don't hit the earth. في أحيانا برضو نيازك كبيرة ما بتضرب الأرض. Very often يعني غالبا. Also scientists know about the danger. بيعرفوا الخطر and can predict which meteorites might hit the earth. It might also be possible to what? To protect the earth. تحمي الأرض by firing a rocket. rocket هو اللي هو صاروخ at a meteorite as it came near to the earth. This would change its directions بغير اتجاهه and save the world. لما يضرب صاروخ عليها صاروخ ناري لما ينضرب باتجاه الميديورايت اللي هو النيزك as it come near the earth اللي بيكون متجه نحو الأرض this would change its direction بغير اتجاهه and save the world وبيحمي العالم. Okay, this is the answers here. I think they are clear for you. Please write the correct answers. Okay. What about the last one? Choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. Most meteorites don't hit the earth because ليش معظم النيازك ما بتضرب الأرض؟ لأنها إيش مالها؟ They burn in the earth atmosphere بتنحرق بجو الأرض. So this is the right answer. Meteor crater appeared when متى بتظهر النيزك؟ متى بتظهر؟ متى فوت البركان اللي على شكل نيزك متى بتظهر؟ A very large and when a very large meteorite hit the earth. So B. 3. If a large meteorite hit the earth today, it would be a catastrophe. رح يكون في نكبة كارثة. It would be a catastrophe. كارثة. Number 4. The good news is that what? A large meteorites don't come very often. مش غالبا بتأتي. The last sentence, we could change the direction of a meteorite. احنا ممكن نغير اتجاه الميتيورايت النيزك كيف if we fired a rocket at it. If we fired a rocket at it. These are answers. Okay. I think they are clear for you. So please write the correct answers in your workbook and study well. Goodbye.